Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Yes, I went to the zoo with my family. It was a great day out.
That sounds like fun. I stayed home and watched a movie. Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched an action movie called The Avengers. It was exciting.
The Avengers is a popular movie. I like comedies, they make me laugh. Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I do. I went to a play last month, and it was very entertaining.
Watching a play can be a unique experience. I've been to a few concerts. Do you like live music?
Yes, I love live music. I went to a rock concert last year, and it was amazing.
Rock concerts are known for their energy. I prefer jazz music, it's so soothing. Have you ever tried playing a musical instrument?
Yes, I play the piano. It's a beautiful instrument, and I enjoy playing it.
Playing the piano is impressive. I've always wanted to learn the guitar. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy hiking in my free time. It's a great way to connect with nature.
Hiking is a wonderful way to stay active. I like swimming, it's refreshing. Have you ever been scuba diving?
No, I haven't, but it's on my bucket list. Exploring the ocean must be incredible.
Scuba diving can be a fantastic adventure. I enjoy reading books. Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading too. Mystery novels are my favorite.
Mystery novels are thrilling. I prefer science fiction, it's so imaginative. Do you have any favorite authors?
I like Agatha Christie's mysteries. Her stories are captivating.
Agatha Christie is a great author. I enjoy reading Jules Verne's books. Have you been on a cruise before?
Yes, I went on a cruise to the Caribbean last year. It was a relaxing vacation.
Cruises are a great way to unwind. I like road trips, they're adventurous. Have you been on a long road trip?
Yes, I drove across the country with friends once. It was an epic journey.
Road trips are a memorable experience. I enjoy camping in the wilderness. Have you ever gone camping?
Yes, I've been camping in the mountains. It's peaceful and beautiful.
Camping in the mountains sounds serene. I prefer camping near the beach. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach, especially swimming in the ocean.
Swimming in the ocean is so refreshing. I like collecting seashells. Do you have any collections?
No, I don't collect anything, but I enjoy visiting museums.
Museums are educational. I like art museums. The paintings are inspiring. Do you enjoy painting or drawing?
Yes, I find painting relaxing. It's a great way to express creativity.
Painting is a wonderful form of self-expression. I enjoy photography, it captures memories. Have you traveled to any foreign countries?
Yes, I've been to Italy. The food and culture were amazing.
Italy is on my travel wish list. I'd love to try authentic Italian pizza. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. I make a mean lasagna.
Homemade lasagna sounds delicious. I like baking. Cakes are my specialty. Do you have a favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake. It's a classic treat.
Chocolate cake is a favorite for many. I enjoy fruit pies. Do you have a favorite fruit?
Yes, I love strawberries. They're sweet and juicy.
Strawberries are delicious. I prefer apples. They're crunchy and versatile. Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, I attended a music festival last summer. It was a lively event.
Music festivals are known for their energy. I like going to the theater. Plays are captivating. Have you seen any good plays recently?
Yes, I watched a comedy play called The Odd Couple. It was hilarious.
Comedy plays are entertaining. I enjoy visiting botanical gardens. The flowers are beautiful. Have you been to one?
Yes, I've visited a few botanical gardens. They're serene places.
Botanical gardens are perfect for relaxation. I like watching documentaries. Do you find them informative?
Yes, documentaries are informative, and I learn a lot from them.
Documentaries are a great source of knowledge. I enjoy hiking in the forest. Do you like spending time in nature?
Yes, I love nature walks and listening to the birds.
Nature walks are peaceful. I like visiting historical sites. Have you been to any recently?
Yes, I visited an ancient castle last month. It had an interesting history.
Ancient castles have fascinating stories. I enjoy visiting zoos. Animals are so diverse. Have you been to a zoo?
Yes, I went to the zoo with my nieces and nephews. They loved seeing the animals.
Zoos are great for family outings. I like stargazing on clear nights. Have you seen any shooting stars?
Yes, I've seen shooting stars during meteor showers.